Sharon is cranky. I don't know why. She dreamt of this nice, packed place in Brooklyn Heights, or the ultimate Smith Street. But it was empty. There was only one.
Snob.
There was only one restaurant.
We used to put him a hot software. The light band.
I gave Brooklyn a chance. We were walking for an hour, and we found only one restaurant, but it was really smelly.
And he doesn't even live here, and he's a snob.
I gave it a chance. Oh no, you just came out of the restaurant saying, it smells. Oh dear. Yeah, but you were right. It smelled like someone puked all over the place. You look nice. Why are you hiding yourself? You're pretty. No. Right? Isn't she pretty? You see? Other people say that. You think that I'm not objective, but yeah. Are you Muslim? Are you Muslim? Yes.
I can see you.
Wow. You can see me, but I can't see you.
Right. I like this. I'm going to start doing this more
maybe
often.
you'll do it more, yeah. And you'll be hit on by Muslims.
This is J Street.
Alright, I'm getting off here. This is my stop.
To the A train.